this is how you adjust the climate controls on a Polestar 3. From the home screen, you'll notice you have two quick access temperature gauges. For the passenger side, you can sync that however you would like, or you can sync it with the driver's side, and you'll notice that both change to the same temperature. You also have access to your ventilated seats, heated seats, and your heated steering wheel. From the home screen again, you'll hit the fans here. This is going to load up all of your fan control speeds, and as well as all of your climate control settings. You'll notice three different auto settings. You'll have quiet, balanced, powerful. So it's always going to help maintain this temperature that you're seeing on the cabin. I personally like quiet, so you don't really hear too much of the fan speed there. Or you can go to manual. That of course will allow you to manually adjust the speed, or you can turn them completely off. You'll notice that there are no other vents were active, and you can also turn off these vents from the screen if you select them like so. From here, you'll only be able to adjust trajectory of where the fans are coming from. We'll go back to the auto screen here. From the auto screen, you can also access your rear climate controls as well. From the rear, you can also turn on your heated seats on either side. So if you have a kid back there and don't know quite how to turn those on, you can turn that off for them, as well as adjust their temperature back there. For your rear climate settings, you can adjust the temperature, as well as turning off your fans, like so, and then as well as the direction of them. And you also have access to your heated seats. Three settings on this side. So that's how you adjust the rear climate controls. We'll go back to the front ones here. You'll also notice three different settings here for your front defroster, front fan speed, and also the lower section. Or we can go back to auto and it automatically set that for you. And last thing here, you'll also have access to this quick access control here. That's going to turn on your max defrosters for the front and the rear. And to disengage that, you'll just select it one more time and then it'll disengage.